dead. All right, the rain has finally stopped. Got Mikey there. There we got the dreamsicle. Got Jeffrey's truck. Yes, sir. We'll go check out some vendors here in a little while. A pretty Chevy too, and a 57 coming out this way. All right, 65 Chevelle. Look at this bad boy. Some pretty cars here. Nice interior, nothing over the top, but really nice and clean. Nice. Final top. Yeah, buddy. Huh. I might have gone with a bigger window, but it's nice. Buddy mine's truck right here. What's up, Ron? It's nice. Truck always shows well. Always shows well. Let's check out this interior. Nice, right? Pretty bad. Awesome. That's another Nomad here. Very nice. White, you don't see that often. Love the Nomads with the sliding glass right there. That is so cool. And that trim work right in there, that's beautiful. Like it. Ribs on the roof. Beautiful car. .210 wagon. Doesn't have the sliding glass. Does have the rail right there. No ribs on the back. And I believe it's a hatch. Pretty. Oh, Roadster, 28 Ford Roadster. Actually, I saw this on Marketplace, contacted guy, checked it out. I was thinking about buying it for a second. I didn't though, obviously, but I think it's still for sale. But it was on my radar for a split second. The wife don't like running boards on a Roadster, so To each his own, I guess, right? Still a pretty car. Jeremy's ride. Another guy I know. Beautiful truck. It's well done. Some big old meats. Nice paint. Looking beautiful. What's up, buddy?
Well, your car looks great, like always.
Yes.
Seeing you, take care. Good seeing you guys.
Yeah, busting off there. Clean. All right. I know I don't show many vets on this channel, but check this bad boy out. It is a 3-inch stretch, so you really can't tell, I don't guess. So it's got a 3-inch stretch. I don't know if you can tell, but look at that. It's 3 inch wider.
Yeah, she did the same thing I did well.
It's a 175.
I don't know what that means.
Me neither. That's a wicked little bike. That's sitting with a cool caddy. '59. She's a big old girl. Damn. Look at that. 3-bedroom apartment for rent. With the in-law suite. What? Beautiful though. Look at all that chrome. It's when style mattered, right? This son of a bitch right here.
From Jersey with that beautiful 55 Chevy straight axle gas road. I think that's that going on. Hey folks, when you're on the top, be sure to check out the Goodguy Gallery and the Kids Zone. We've got a model car, free making taken out. This is all for my kids too. Goodguy Gallery and the free Kids Zone model making take. We got that. We've got a live entertainment. We're going to have a burnout competition for all of your requests.
Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video. I'd like to take a second, ask you to support the channel. The only thing you have to do, and it's completely free, hit this like button, come down here, hit that sub button, click on the little bell and hit all. That way you'll get notifications every time we put up a new video. And like I say, it's free and it really supports the channel. So thanks a lot, and back to the video.
Good Guy show is over. Started out raining, ending with rain. All these big rigs have to be towed out this morning. They all got stuck. That gentleman down there drove his in. He had to have a piece of equipment come get him out.